Hi teacher, I'm Christopher Pineda and this time I want to talk about my life as a senior student. Basically, I have gotten used to new obligations and new ways of seeing life. Similarly, I'm used to a different treatment for people. They are no longer as condescending as well I was child. I believe that growing up involves learning to face problems calmly and with clear answers. I'm getting used to expressing myself most cautiously. In my students, I got used to studying harder and being more effective because I realized that times waits for no one. There are new things that I didn't used to do before, but now I love them. For example, I'm I'm enjoying exercising, being a goalkeeper and a swim. Also, I'm getting used to being more careful with my words, and I enjoy moments of peace rather than noise. I feel I have changed for the better. Many things that I used to like are no longer my favorites. Being a senior is a wonderful experience. We change to improve. Everything I used to do in the past has helped me become the person I am today and who I hope to be in the future. Thanks teachers for watching my mini blog and I hope that you really liked my mini blog and see you later teacher and goodbye.